up, guys? It's your favorite personal trainer here, Smooch, and welcome back to another episode of Built by Smooch. In this video, we're going to focus on one of the most important steps to do before every single workout, and also another great way to start your morning, and that's full body, head to toe stretching. And if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss out on any of these great videos. Alright guys, so the first stretch that we're going to do is called the neck extension. So what you're going to do here is you're going to take your left hand and cuff over your ear like so. And you're going to take your right hand and you're going to stretch it out, extend that arm as much as you can, and we're going to hold that for 10 seconds. Okay, and then now we're just going to switch sides. You're going to take your right hand and do the same thing. Cuff over your ear, stretch that arm out as far as you can, and we're going to hold this for 10 seconds. Next, we're going to stretch our shoulders. To do this exercise, we're simply going to take our left arm and bring it across our chest. Take our right arm and cuff the left arm, and make sure that when you're holding it, it's not too low and it's not too high. You just want it elevated in the middle, and we're going to hold this for 10 seconds. Okay, now we're just going to switch sides. We're going to bring the right arm around, cuff it in the crease of our left arm. Again, make sure it's level, and we're going to hold this for 10 seconds. Alright guys, we're halfway there. Now let's focus on the core. In this exercise, you're going to simply twist your body like so. Just be careful, you don't want to overextend yourself. You just want to feel a nice pull in your back as well as your core. And we're going to hold this for 10 seconds. Okay, now let's switch sides. We're going to hold this for 10 seconds. Now the benefits of this exercise is not only to stretch your core as well as your back, but it also improves your posture a lot. So let's focus on doing this at least once a day. Guys, now let's get into some leg work. In this exercise, we're really going to focus on getting a good pull from our hamstrings as well as our calf muscles. The proper way to do this exercise, after you extend your leg, make sure you tilt your toes back towards your body. Alright, and then you're going to grab your feet and hold. Now, a lot of people that are not that flexible, you can also grab your ankle or come as close as you can to your ankle, and we're going to hold this for 10 seconds. Alright guys, now let's switch legs. Again, hold it as close as you can. So far, so good. Now let's go ahead and put your legs together and make sure you tilt your toes back again and grab as close as you can and tuck your head, and we're going to hold this for 10 seconds. You should have felt a good pull in your back. I always like to end my stretch routines off with just a bit of yoga. So our last stretch that we're going to do today is called the child's pose. Alright guys, so for the child's pose, all you're going to do is sit on your feet like so, and you're going to stretch your arms out as far as you can and tuck your head down. Now we're going to do this and hold it for 10 seconds. Alright guys, so that concludes our stretching session. If you haven't done so, make sure you click subscribe below, like and share, and turn on your notifications. And I'll see you guys in the next video.